Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Cadillac CTS tail light. Begin by opening the trunk and removing the trunk liner access panel behind the tail lamp assembly, then remove any visible screws. Use a trim tool to carefully pry clips without cracking plastic and keep screws organized. Label bulbs or take photos for correct reassembly. Work in good light and take your time to avoid damage to paint or connectors. Start by removing the fasteners that secure the tail light to the body, keeping each screw in order for reinstallation. Gently pull the assembly away from the vehicle while supporting it so no clips snap. Locate the wiring harness and depress the release tab, then separate the connector with a steady pull. If a bulb is stuck, twist it counterclockwise and wiggle it free. Set the assembly on a soft surface to avoid scratches. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making clear step-by-step car guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It keeps the cabin smelling fresh while you wrench and won't mask issues. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check those out, and now let's get back to the video. After removing the assembly, replace any faulty bulbs with the correct replacement types and handle bulbs by the base to avoid oils on glass. Reconnect the wiring harness temporarily and test brake, turn, and reverse functions to confirm correct operation. If all lights function, secure the tail light back into place and reinstall screws snugly but not over-tightened. Finally, reattach the trunk liner and ensure clips are engaged and trim fits flush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.